If you want to know how can you change the region on FIFA Mobile, today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. Just follow carefully with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, if you tap right here in the top right corner on this gear icon, you'll find your region in the top right corner of this pop-up window right here. But you cannot change it or tap on it to change it for the game. So let me show you what you can do to change it. First, quit the game completely and then go to your settings. From settings, tap on apps and then tap on manage apps. And then from here, find FIFA Mobile. Tap on it and then tap on clear all data and then uninstall the game completely. And before installing it again, you need to go and download a free VPN or any VPN. Just go to your Play Store or App Store and get anyone. Before installing the game again, go ahead and enable that VPN and basically connect to the VPN. So skip the ad if you find any and then tap on connect. Just like that, once you go ahead and install the app, you should find the region updated to that country. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks for watching.